Why SPT? Why social presencing theater? Because it gives you immediately, and this thing doesn't take longer than 60 or 90 minutes, immediately you have a collective language and a collective perception of what's wrong and broken with the current system and what are potential pathways of moving it into a different direction. Using social presencing theater is for two reasons, as far as I am concerned. One is that it makes particularly visible the deep transformation structure of a social field, which otherwise you often tend to miss. And number two, it's fast. It doesn't take weeks or months. Time is money. We don't have money in our projects. We all know the problem, right? So we have like a finite amount of time. How can you use that finite amount of time to have deep impact?